days of six-finger AI images are long gone. Well, at least mostly. I still get the occasional odd picture when I generate it with AI. But in the past months, image and video generation have jumped forward in a huge way. The improvement is honestly wild. Today I want to show you Sora, OpenAI's tool for generating media in seconds. More specifically, I will be testing Sora 2, which now includes a storyboard feature that lets you build more cinematic videos with an actual plot. Let's check it out. Sora is a great tool, but it's not always clear how much will it cost you. So let me break that down for you. You can use it with your ChatGPT free plan. It's rather limited as you can only create 3 images per day. If you do pay for the Plus plan, the one I have, you get more image and video generation, and your videos can be up to 720p resolution and can be up to 10 seconds. If you want the best resolution and more duration for your videos, yeah, it's $200 a month. So you really have to be using it a lot. This is the old Sora platform where you can create video and images, as you can see. For videos, you can select several resolutions, and then the maximum duration of a video can be up to 20 seconds. One thing that's pretty convenient is that you can output several videos. You can choose between 1 video, 2 or 4 videos. Sometimes the AI needs a couple of tries to get it right, so this is a good solution. And for the images, you can also choose several aspect ratios and select between 1, 2 or 4 outputs. Let's say we want to create a landscape image, and I'm going to say I want Fat Mozart eating ice cream. I want to output, and I click this button here. I have to say ChatGPT's image and video model is not the fastest. For example, it's not as fast as Gemini's, but it offers a good quality. All right, so it looks like our image is ready. So let's go to My Media. And there you go, we have our picture of Mozart eating ice cream. But this has been out for a little bit. So today what I want is to check Sora 2, which is more geared towards videos. Let me show you. To access Sora 2, we can do it from this button down here or going into our avatar and select Open New Sora. The first thing you will see is some examples created with Sora 2, and to be fair, some are pretty impressive. That is amazing, and others are a little bit odd, like this one. I really don't know what the prompt was to create this video, but anyways, I want to create a video myself and I want to show you a little bit of the process. This is the prompt we're gonna give it. Beethoven and Mozart having an argument in the supermarket, and both are a little bit chatty, so let's see how we go. I wanted to let you know about the newsletter I send every week with my favorite app recommendations, just like this one, to help you do more in less time and with my productivity tips. It's an awesome newsletter and totally free. Now back to the video. Anyways, it looks like our video is finished. Let's check it out. So as you can see, this is Mozart and Beethoven arguing with German accent who is the best composer of all times.
Real genius needs depth, not glitter.
Do not take the ice cream, Ludwig. We are both getting, how you say, round.
Alright, maybe it could have worked more on the script, but to be fair, the output I think is great. Then I also want to show you a feature that I think is great, which is the storyboard. So when you click on it, you can create scenes and then compose videos that are a little bit more cinematic and have a bit more of a plot. For example, I have this one about Santa having an issue with the slide, having to land, and then fixing the slide and interacting a little bit with the camera. Let's see the results. There you go, here's Santa having engine problems.
Leave me alone, please. No more Christmas carols.
Alright, it looks like Santa has had enough of Christmas carols. I think Sora is getting pretty good. I would say it's rather slow and I'd like to see that improve. But the quality of the videos, as you've seen, it's pretty impressive. And the fact that now you can add sound to them, it's also a +1. Hey, thanks for watching this Sora video review. By the way, we have a full newsletter issue talking about the best AI image and video generation platforms. Subscribe to our newsletter to check it out. Have a good day and see you next time.